All right, it's Monday, April 11th, 2022. Just got the windshield out. I want to explain how I got it out. These windshields got a rubber that the glass sits inside, and it's got a little locking ring that goes all the way around. It's, basically holds it in. Normally, if the rubber is good, you can pull that locking ring out, and once you get it slowly pushing the rubber from the inside out, it'll pop out. Well, this thing had been in there for so long, that won't happen. So I took the locking ring out and took a razor blade right inside that channel and just cut it. That way the glass pushes whoop right on out and pulled all the old rubber gasket out. So now I've got the windshield sitting in my truck, safe. Cross the fingers, nothing ever happens so it gets broke, but it's ready to go back in. Next, we can pull the dash, the steering column, and all this stuff out that needs to come out. But I want to show you. This is why the windshield had to come out. Bolts all along the seam, right where the rubber sits on the inside of the windshield. So I'm getting there. Next, we'll take the seat belts off, finish up getting all this stuff out, and we'll be on the road. All right, I'll be back to you as soon as I get the dash and steering out. All right, today's Wednesday, April the 13th, 2022. What we're going to try to accomplish today for a little while, getting the dash parts out. Steering column, the cluster, trying to get all the dash out. So we're going to get on at it. I'll get back with you. It's about 12:30. I guess it took me a little bit over an hour to get it out, but dash is out, the steering column's out, all the wiring's out. I'm starting to work on getting the heater out. Then I'm going to work on the clutch pedal, brake booster, unhooking the emergency brake. And the only thing I have left in is the full body mounts and get his back window out too. And then that's it. This cab's ready to come off. I got all the wiring unhooked over here. This is the toggle switches in the dash. These two wires right here, that's the horn wires. And we had a couple other wires in here that I had unhooked, but it's getting there. Like I said, all the dash is out now, all the wiring. So I think I'm gonna call it a day, get cleaned up, go give me some lunch. And to the next one, y'all. Y'all be good.